induction burners, it's gonna work on gas burners. Obviously, it's gonna work on electric burners. This is the stainless steel Cuisinart cooking pans. The thing I like about it is they have 3 different option sizes. You have your giant one that you can use for blanching, you have one that you can use for searing, and then you also have something that you can use for your grains, your rice, your couscous, your quinoa, and anything of that nature. Well, no matter what kitchen you're in, restaurant you're in, it's gonna be something that's gonna be like quality that you can use actually in that spot. So for our 20 cup, this would be better, I would say, for cooking pasta or blanching large amounts of vegetables. You're gonna keep your simmer if you're adding broccoli in here, potatoes in here to blanch, anything of that sense. This is always gonna keep whatever temperature you have it at. So with this pan, I wouldn't cook rice in it, but this is perfect for whatever your main is, so of your entree. So if you're cooking chicken breast, you can put about 4 or 5 in here without it being too overcrowded, dropping down that temperature. I can deglaze it with a little bit of my white wine, add a little bit of chicken stock, and just throw a lid on it and set it in the back, and kind of always have like a perfect meal after that. With the surface area, this is gonna be better for that high temperature cooking. For rice or any of the grains, you really wanna go with something that's gonna be smaller. So with our 4-cup pot, the thing I like most about this is it actually has our weight measurements inside already. So say you don't already have your own measuring cups, this is a one-stop shop. You can measure your rice in here, you can add your water in here, measure that as well, throw a lid on it, let it go back and steam. This is perfect for any kind of small scale use for rice, couscous, any of your grains. I think that this is the perfect pot to do so. As a whole, I love this brand just because it's a good price point, and this is gonna work for gas, this is gonna work for electric, this is gonna work for induction. Whatever you have, this is the pan to use. This is gonna work.